In this video yet again, I'm going to be unboxing this device that I received from BackMarket. For those of you who don't know about BackMarket, BackMarket is a US online store that sells refurbished devices such as laptops, iPhones, iPads, iMacs, anything big, and at a relatively very cheap price. After I completely opened the box, this was the packaging. It was just covered with the paper on top, and if you've ever bought from BackMarket, you know all their devices don't come with the original boxes. Yeah, they are packaged again in these white boxes, which is okay since the devices are refurbished from the companies or people who have used them before. So I bought a Google Pixel 3 XL. Yeah, and this was the device, how it was packaged inside. So the phone came in with these plastic bags which are pumped in with air. As you can see, they use these hard plastics. As you know, the shipping companies and the forwarders, freight forwarders, how they handle goods, so they had to protect the screens from getting damaged. And it came in with its USB-C cable for charging. Yeah, it was the original charger. It was the original cable. It is fast charging. And this was the phone itself. It's time now to view our phone. Yeah, the price I bought this phone, it was for less than $110. Yeah, $110. Yeah, it was, the phone was $95 and the additional charges. Then I used FedEx for shipping. Yeah, FedEx for shipping, and it was like $75, $78. Yeah, so this is the phone when I'm booting it. As you can see, it's a Google phone, and you know Google phones, they are best for their original OLED screens, very strong, with very strong service. Total was $185, which is like 3.2 rands. The phone was clean. Yeah, it was the good product. You know, at BackMarket they have different. You can see the camera was the best. Yeah, it's a cheap phone, but it was very nice. As you can see, when I'm testing the camera, I had to also test the front camera too. Yeah, as you see the quality of the pixels of the camera, it's a very nice phone. And one other thing to remember, guys, it is that BackMarket doesn't ship to any African countries or outside USA, so you have to have a shipping address in USA, or you have to have someone in USA in order for them to ship for you guys. SIM card remover, USB-C. Yeah, and that's all I had to get. The phone was clean. I bought the one in good condition.